So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the modeling of this truck over here. So let's continue it. So I'll just open one reference over here and we'll just create the lights over here. So for that I can just go over here. I'll just take a box over here. I'll resize it and I'll go into this view over here. Slightly I'll rotate it and I'll just push this up over here. And let's increase its height a bit in this way. Select this edge over here. So convert to editable poly. Select this edge and let's give a bit of chamfer. Take a cylinder and let's go into this and reduce the height segments. Convert to poly, push it inside, control and click on the edges and let's give a bit of chamfer to it and click OK. So I can just press shift and duplicate it. Let's go over here and I can mirror it in y-axis. Drag it over here in this way. Okay. So again go over here, view image file. Let's open another reference. Let's again take a rectangle, activate the auto grid over here, convert to editable spline, select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So now what I can do is I can just go over here, enable in viewport. I'll just drag it out. And let's give, instead of giving enable in viewport over here, I'll save the file once. We can give an extrude modifier if needed. So there is some problem with the file, I guess. I'll again recreate it. So convert to spline, select the vertices. Okay, now it's coming proper. Reduce the size and let's give a bit of fillet to it. And drag it inside. Let's take a box. So I can just drag it inside in this way. So convert to poly. Select this edges. Let's give two connects. Select the polygons and slightly push it down, or you can just push it up according to your needs. So I'll just keep it in this way. I'll save the file once again over here. Now we do have small bolts or kind of stuff, so I'll just take a spear over here. So convert to, so before we convert this to poly, I'll just reduce the segments, delete this, and let's give cap, resize it, scale a bit, and let's duplicate it. So I can just duplicate it, press shift and drag. I'll just make a copy of it. So before we do that, again I'll go over here, select this, delete it, and we'll make this copies at a distance over here. So I'll just duplicate it in this way. Okay. So I'll just delete this. Again select this all, and again drag it down till here. I'll delete this. So now we are just doing some fine details which are left out. Click over here, so I can just make some copies over here in this way. So we can add this details accordingly. Can just delete this. Slightly push it in this way, and again duplicate it down. All right, select this and let's make again multiple copies over here. In this way. So let's just save the file once again. So let's go over here, view image file. We can check out some other references if needed. Alright. So again I'll select this, press Ctrl A, and I'll just give one material to it. That's it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. Now over here we can go with the back part and put some basic lights over here. So I can select this, convert to poly, select this polygons over here, so I'll just go over here convert to poly, select, push it slightly inside, select the polygons, and we can insert this. Again I'll go over here, let's take a cylinder, so convert to poly, select this polygons, control and click on the vertices, and let's give a bit of chamfer. So give a chamfer over here and let's duplicate it. So I'll just make a copy of it in this way, and we can just adjust that accordingly. So over here as well, few things can be created, so we need to check some references. So we can again take a box over here and just drag it up over here as well. Convert to poly, select this, extrude it a bit down in this way. So let's go into the modeling over here. Let's take a swift loop, select this polygon and extrude it inside. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So fine tuning details which will be covering it up in the coming session. Then we'll start up with the texturing part for this truck over here, massive truck. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.